Welcome back, everybody. Lightning ESL Word of the Day. What's our word today? I don't know. Let's find out. What do you think? When should I stop the magic ball? What do you think? Over there. What do you think? Up there. Wow, I haven't seen you in a while. Down there? Down there. In the corner. Down there? No, back in that corner. Okay. He said turn left. Okay, now I'm turning left. All right, turn left. Stop. Contraction. 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 I've heard the word contraction. But how do we spell the word contraction? Now, the word contraction simply means taking two words and putting into one. That's what it means. Like the word isn't comes from is not, right? Won't comes from will not. That is a contraction. Taking two words, making it into one. It might save space, might save time. That's what a contraction means. It's one of those grammar rules you can do. Totally legal, totally correct. But remember, all right, it is always better not to use contraction, because you want to have the reader read properly what you just wrote down, including emails. I will not do this versus I won't. The word won't is a contraction of will not. Contraction. How do we spell contraction? All right. Contract. Shun. Take a look, take a look. Contraction, contraction, contraction. Contraction. Three main syllables for the word contraction. Three main syllables for the word contraction. You see what I mean? An example of a contraction, all right? If I take two words, will, not, as a contraction, will be won't. You see? That's a contraction. This is the contraction right here. I took two words, made it into one. So when you see this, when you see that comma on top, apostrophe on top, this is a comma on top, not an apostrophe. A comma on top. This is called a contraction of these two words. You have to understand what the contraction words came from. You have the word won't. Where did that come from? Will not. That's a contraction. This is a contraction. You have to understand how this was formed. This was formed originally by two words into one. It's a short form expression of a word of these two words into one. Will not, contraction is won't. Another one. If I have two words, cannot, contraction of that would be can't. See? This is the contraction of cannot. Okay? That's what the contraction means. Taking two original words into one. This is the contraction. Two original words into one. Won't. That is the contraction. That's what contraction means. One of those rules of grammar. Remember, the rules of grammar is your keys of knowledge for all English. Okay? The rules of grammar of English language. One of them is contraction. 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 Look how we spell the word contraction. Contraction, contraction, contraction. T-I-O-N is one syllable right there. This is one syllable. That's another one, and that's another one. Three syllables for the word contraction. Understand what it means. Not a question, just learning what the word looks like and spelled. When do we use this as a contraction? Two original words into one. Two original words into one. These are the contractions of that. That's what the word contraction means. All right? Till next time, thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.